What is up, guys?
We're in Norco, California, and we're gonna take you with us as we go to the Pumpkin Rock.
Yep.
We're gonna do a little bit of hiking today.
We don't know how long the hike is from where we are right now.
Yeah, and there's a steep incline, so we'll see.
That's what we're here for, is a challenge. So yeah.
All right, see ya.
We'll see you guys.
I don't know about you, but this is making me nervous. We're going all the way up there. Don't run it. Oh, Live Hard. What was it? The YouTube channel, the Live Hard, Love Harder. Go run. Be like Adam. It's so cute. The jump though. You can do it, Adam. You can do it. Go jump. So,
Hey guys.
So who forgot?
We just realized, or I just realized, that we had a bag in the car filled with our water and snacks. I guess I was just too excited to...
And we're already halfway on the mountain. Has to go.
Well, I guess it's time for me to go back down and come back up. Come back
Okay,
in a little
and
bit.
I'm going to time you.
See you guys.
I'm going to time you. Right now it's... I don't even know the time. Oh, it's 11:35. We'll say it's 35. We'll see how long it's gonna take him to get all the supplies that he forgot in the car. He's all the way down there. Wow. Look at Norco though. So beautiful. These ladies are taking a different route. Right there. Different side of the mountain. I think this one is much better because the incline is not as crazy as this one that we're on. See that? It's like a gradual incline. Unlike to over here, all the way up to the top like that, which is more steep. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the pumpkin right there. Right there. You could barely see the head of the pumpkin. You have more ways to go, and I'm waiting for Mark because we can't go all the way up to the mountain without any of our drinks, or else we're gonna get dehydrated with this kind of sun. So I'm just here waiting for Mark till he comes. Ooh, look at the bird. I see him, is running. And this is the time, 38. Wow. Doing a pretty good job, it's pretty fast. Great job, love. 10 minutes. Under 10 minutes, good job.
That was hard.
How was it? Your legs are hurting?
Yes, it looks easy, but
Yeah.
there's a battle.
Let's go.
There it is, guys. We're almost there. Almost there. You see, you can see it.
Almost there. Yeah. We did it.
What do you think?
Steep hike for us, but if you're an avid hiker, this is like nothing to you.
I think.
That's like our second.
I think even if you are an avid hiker, you would still be winded.
We got one more pumpkin to go, and then we call it a day. Okay, high five. It's pretty hot. Should have brought a hat.
Here's pumpkin number 2.
Good job.
It's not as big as the other one, but still pretty big.
We're on the trail that's right behind the pumpkin rock. We're taking the trail that is not so steep because of our shoes. On the way to the car. Going back down. Going back down is a challenge.
Going down. We were there. Now we are here. Steep way down. We went through that way to the pumpkin, and we came down the other way.
Good job.
Woo.
And a few more steps towards where we parked.
Woo.
Done.
We made it back down.